Student, I am going to discuss a lesson for a student of class 10. The name of the lesson is Krug. You know, Krug is a coffee country famous for its rainforest and spices. Krug is situated between Mysore and the coastal town of Mangalore, sites for a piece of heaven that must have drifted from the kingdom of God. This is Krug. Now, I am going to discuss its question answer. So, listen it carefully. Question number 1. Where is Krug? Where is Krug? Krug is the smallest district of Karnataka, located midway between Mysore and Mangalore. You know, Krug is the smallest district of Karnataka, located midway between Mysore and Mangalore. The next question. What is the story about the Kodagu people's descent? Answer. According to the author, the fiercely independent people of Krug are possibly Greek or Arabic descent. A part of Alexander's army moved south along the coast. They settled there when return became impractical. These people married amongst the locals, and their culture is evident in the martial traditions, marriage, and religious rites, which are distinct from the Hindu mainstream. The Kudavyas wear a long black coat with a embroidered wrist belt known as kupia. It is resembling the kupia owned by the Arabs and the Kudus, hence supporting the theory of their Arab origin. It is a 2 marks question answer. So you listen it carefully, try to understand. Then next question. What is Krug home to? What is Krug home to? Krug homes to evergreen rainforest, spices and coffee plantation. What is the other name of Krug? The other name of Krug is Kodagu. The other name of Krug is Kodagu. What covers 30% of Krug district? Evergreen rainforest cover 30% of Krug district. Which crops grow in Krug in plenty? Which crops grow in Krug in plenty? The coffee is the main crop of the country, and the spices also grow there. What can be seen in Krug most prominently? What can be seen in Krug most prominently? Coffee estates and colonial bungalows. One can see in Krug most prominently. What is kupia? Answer. The kupia is a clothing worn by the people of Krug. It consists of a long black coat with an embroidered wrist belt. 9. What is kupia? Kufia is a clothing worn by the Arabs and the Quraysh. Then next question, question number 11. What is the place of the Crook Regiment in Indian Army? The Crook Regiment is one of the most decorated in the Indian Army, and they were the only people in India permitted to carry firearms without a license. 2 marks question answer. The Crook Regiment is one of the most decorated in the Indian Army, and they were the only people in India permitted to carry firearms without a license. Then next question 12. Name the Kurgi Army General of the Indian Army. The name of the general is General Cariappa. Name the river of Crook. The name of the river is Kaveri. Name the large freshwater fish in the river of Crook. The name of the fish. The name of the freshwater fish is Mahasi. The name of the freshwater fish is Mahasi. Name the birds and animals found in Crook. Name the birds and animals found in Crook. The name of the birds and animals found in Crook are macaques, Malabar squirrels, langurs, slender lories, and birds like kingfishers widely found in Crook. Next question. What are the favorite hot takers in Crook? Numerous walking trails in this region are a favorite for the takers in Crook. Question number 17. Where from one can have a view of a wide area of Crook? Answer. The climb to the Brahmagiri hills brings into a panoramic view of the entire misty landscape of Crook. Name the island in Crook. The name of the island is Nigasadharma. Where is India's largest Tibetan settlement? Bailakupi is the name of the place where is India's largest Tibetan settlement. Who was General Cariappa? Question number 20. Who was General Cariappa? General Cariappa was the first chief of the Indian Army. General Cariappa was the first chief of the Indian Army. When is the season of joy commenced in Crook? When is the season of joy commenced in Crook? Answer. The season of joy commences from September and continues till March. Next question. What is the name of the land of rolling hills? The name of the land of rolling hills is Crook or Kudago. Where is Crook located? Crook is in Karnataka. Name the people in India permitted to carry firearms without a license. The Kudavyas are the people in India permitted to carry firearms without a license. Why is there the mention of the name of Cariappa in the lesson Crook? Because Cariappa is the first chief of Indian Army who was a Kroogi. Question number 25. Name many two adventure games offered in Crook. The name of the two adventure games offered in Crook are river rafting and canoeing. Then next question. Name the river that obtains its water from the hills and forests of Coorg. The name of the river is Kaveri that obtains its water. Then next question 27. How did the squirrels and langurs enjoy the river water in Coorg? Answer. The squirrels and langurs drop partially eaten fruits for the mischief of enjoying the splash and ripples effect in the clean water. 29. How does the author sketch the natural beauty of Coorg in the opening paragraph? Or give a brief description of Coorg. 3 marks question. Listen it carefully. Coorg is the smallest district in the state of Karnataka and is situated between Mysore and the coastal town of Mangalore. Famous for its rainforests and spices. It is also home to rich coffee. Though it has heavy rainfall during the monsoons, the weather is very pleasant from September to March. The forests are home to animals like macaques, squirrels, langurs, slender lories, and many birds, bees, and butterflies. Then next question number 30. How did the most laid-back individuals enjoy in Coorg? The most laid-back individuals enjoy in Coorg were the river rafting, canoeing, rappelling, rock climbing, and mountain biking. Then next question 31. When can a tourist have a panoramic view of the entire valley of Coorg? The climb to the Barmagiri Hills bring the tourist into a panoramic view of the entire misty landscape of Coorg. Then next question. Give a brief description of Coorg during its season of joy. Answer. The season of joy commences from September and continues till March. The weather is perfect with some showers thrown in for good measures, and the air breathes of invigorating coffee. The next question. Give a high energy adventure in Coorg. The most laid-back individuals become converts to the life of high energy adventure with river rafting, canoeing, rappelling, rock climbing, and mountain biking. Which is called coffee country, and for which this country is famous? Question number 34. Again I repeat. Which is called coffee country, and for which their country is famous? Coorg is called coffee country. It is situated in Karnataka, mainly famous for evergreen rainforests, spices, and coffee plantations. Then question number 5. Name the animals you are likely to see in Coorg. Answer. The name of the animals we are likely to see in Coorg are macaques, squirrels, langurs, slender lories, and many birds, bees, and butterflies. Then question number 35 again. What is the main crops of Coorg? What are the two routes to Coorg from Bangalore? Again I repeat. What is the main crop of Coorg? What are the two routes to Coorg from Bangalore? Answer. The main crops of Krug is coffee and spices. The two routes to Krug from Bangalore are the route via Mysore and other via Neelamangal. These are the name of two routes. Now student, we are discuss 35 extra question answer from the lesson the Krug. I think you listen it carefully again and try to understand all this question and answer. And after listening this question and answer, you don't forget to like and subscribe the channels. When you subscribe this channel, then you get my other video. Thank you.